This is a walk around of our 2019 Komatsu PC210. Covered 5,629 hours from new with a single owner as well, and maintained on a fleet of other 20-ton machines. It would have been purchased with a service contract, so from point of sale this machine would have been looked after by Komatsu, so would have had good service history throughout its life. Obviously, being a part of a fleet, there is a quality to stand by. This machine comes fitted with a Convision camera system, so that gives you a partial 360 and also a rear camera. You've also got on top there the obviously boxing ring and also your amber and green beacon, so you're up to date in terms of site safety. So that'd be your seatbelt and your machine beacon as well. This machine has been prepped by our team here, so it has had a full external and internal clean. The only thing remaining would be a PDI, where we go over and check the machine, re-grease all of the pins, etc., ready for its new home. We can transport this machine across the country if needed, and we have also worked with all major finance companies in the UK, so if you do require any transport or finance, do get in touch, and it is something that we can help you with as well. Here we are on the inside of the machine now. As you can see, it's been prepped by our team here, so it has had a full internal and external clean at this point, ready for its new home. Right hand side of the driver there, you've got the partial 360 and rear cameras, and you can also see the hour clock there, 5,629 hours from new. Following it around, you've got your two control levers, and then moving on to controls for the machines, your slew lock, your amber beacon, and also wiper functions as well.